Let's play with AI! Hi, I'm Hideki, AI Coordinator. Thank you for watching our AI Coordinator channel. Today, I will show you how to solve the unlimited SUDOKU with AI. I introduced it in Japanese before, so I will do my best in English this time. My English isn't so good, but I want to share the fun of AI with people all over the world. Yoroshiku! See to the end. You will need Anaconda to run it. Please install it. So let's do it. Create the environment. Launch the terminal. Download the code from GitHub. Navigate to the directory you downloaded. Install the necessary libraries. NumPy, OpenCV, Keras GPU. Prepare a video. We will ask the AI to play SUDOKU in this video. You can find the command on GitHub. Let's run it. It seems to be able to do level 100 of the master version of SUDOKU easily. Very interesting. What did you think? It's easy to do, so give it a try. Also, thank you for all the comments you give me every time. I can reply to all of them, but it's increasing. I will see you soon. Let's play with AI. Goodbye!